Why do my bantu knots look so horrible when I turn on the camera? But they look cute on the, except for this one. This one looks a little wonky. Let me see, y'all. Happy Vlogmas day 13, I believe. We're far in this. So today, I didn't really do one yesterday, and I've been saying I'm going to, and it's Sunday. Sundays are usually pamper days, so today I'm going to be pampering. I deserve it. I'm going to be doing a full-on body pamper. First, I'm going to do like a mask on my face, and then I'm going to do like soaking my feet while I have my mask on. Then after that, I'm going to go in the shower and just exfoliate, like just exfoliate my body. But I'm excited. You guys are going to come along to this pampering. So today is another video like yesterday where it's like pretty chill, but we're just going to be pampering. I forgot to exfoliate, but we did a mask. We'll exfoliate tomorrow. Alright, I've been neglecting my poor little eyelashes, so I'm actually gonna make a serum for them. I'm so excited. I've been meaning to make this, but I keep putting it off. Today I remembered. So let's fast forward through that. I look at the time and it's 2 a.m. I don't know how we got here. I swear it was just 11, but I painted my nails. My toes aren't quite painted yet, and then tomorrow I'm probably just gonna like oil and lather up because I didn't do that too well today. But let's bring this down. It's the end of my little pamper routine video that I brought you guys along with me. Thank you. Tomorrow I'm gonna indulge in my cravings, so you'll get another vlog tomorrow, a regular vlog. Today I had a chill day. Okay, we were supposed to go skating today, but it didn't work out that way, so we're probably gonna go next week or something. I don't know. I have video ideas planned. Sometime this week I'm gonna film a truth or drink for Vlogmas. It keeps going down. There we go. For Vlogmas with my brother, so that's gonna be fun. I'm excited for that. But yeah, I think that's the end of this video. Thanks for pampering with me, okay? And thank you for tuning in to my Vlogmas. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 13, right? I think it's 13, if I'm not mistaken. Also, if you comment, which I haven't had any comments in Vlogmas, rude, because I know some of y'all are watching, but if you do comment, let me know if you like these style of vlogs more, or if you like just vlogging daily. Today really was nothing. Like all I did was did sign language, and I pampered my routine, my skin, or my whole self, so I just didn't think it was worth it to vlog, and I wasn't gonna have enough footage anyway, so I just filmed that. But tomorrow I want to go. I have, since the beginning of Vlogmas, I've been mentioning this craving I've been having, and tomorrow I think is the day I'm going to indulge. Okay, I'm gonna take the car and go indulge in my cravings. Let me get this vlog up. I'm gonna have a good time tomorrow, and I go indulge in my cravings because it's been too long and I need to get this stuff all ready. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching again. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. My phone is off the chain right now because like I am being sent like 100 TikToks. I love you guys so much. Remember to be humble, okay? And always remember, self-love is the best love. And it's not goodbye. It's see you tomorrow. Bye guys. Bye.